Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to draw a bar plot using Python. So let's start. First, import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. X equal to the list. X indicate the employee ID for a particular department. So the employee ID is 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005 and 1006. There are 6 employees in a particular department. Now I am inserting the salary of that employees. 10,000, 23,000, 18,000, 12,000 and 9,000. Here this 10,000 salary of employee ID 1001, 23,000 salary of the employee 1002 and so on. Next, we have to create a bar plot. To create a bar plot, we have to write plt dot bar. The parameter will be the two list, that is x and y. So x and y. Additionally, I can set a label the bar plot with this command label equal to SALES department, sales department. We can also change the color with this attribute, that is color COLOR equal to, I am giving here red. Matplotlib basically support 140 colors. Now I am going to set the level of x-axis and the level of y-axis. For that, we have to write plt dot x level equal to emp underscore id, that is x level, it is an employee ID. Next, plt dot y level it is nothing but salary of the employee. Next, I can use title function to give a title of the particular bar plot. We can use plt dot title. Let's say company name Google. To make the legend, we can use plt dot legend function. Finally, to display the bar plot, we have to use plt.show. This function used for showing any kind of a plot using matplotlib.pyplot library. So we are running. As you can see, the title of this bar plot is Google, and x-axis is the employee ID and y-axis indicate the salary, and this sales department is red. Right side of the figure is a legend of this particular bar graph. As you can see, this graph is in red color. If you want to change the color, you can change from here. You can change the red into pink or hot pink. Then run the code again. As you can see, the color has been changed into the hot pink. So, thank you for watching this video.